Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Boatshow just opened 2 minutes ago, so that's why there are so few people here, but that's perfect for me. That gives me more room to look around. So let's see what we're gonna start with. I'm not gonna do all the boats, I'm just gonna take a couple of them that I think is interesting. So let's see what we can find.
Som jag sa, det är inte mätt, men ungefär 2 liter per distansmål. Ja, jag är med. Ja. Jag lovar, du går bort med sprayen till Rickard.
And this is a 30-foot Aquador. It's basically the same size as the boat we have. Same length, same width, same weight, about average. So it's basically, it could be a modern version of our boat. I really like the layout. Big U-sofa. Here we can sit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 people comfortable. Fridge freezer. 2-burner stove. Sink. I think that one is a freezer. And I really like these hard sliding roof. A lot better than soft canvas. This could actually qualify as a boat for us. Nice nav station. And yep, the big difference between this boat and our boat, there is no aft cabin in this. That means you get a large seating area, upside kitchen, down here, a big double berth. You can fit 2 grown-ups and maybe 1 child. But here's the other thing. I guess this could be the master cabin. And then you use this for guests or other way around. A lot of storage. And then the best thing about 30-foot boats is the head.
Jag vet inte, du bara gick in. Den här måste jag in och titta i sig nu. Ja, men absolut. Och sen så kan du plocka väck. Ja, ja.
I'm 175, so I would guess it's 180 centimeters of clearance. But yeah, you could easily take a shower in here. That's the big difference when you come up to boats around 30 foot. You get the space.
Perfekt för lite groggare. Ja, för de är ju alltså...
These small details makes everything. much better. You see this edge, you can grip here, and then you can have a real handle here. Prepared with solar. Skylight roof all the way around. Big day bed. Ankle locker, swimming platform, swimming ladder. Huh. Interesting. It's a little narrow on the side for my taste, but really sturdy handrail, so yeah. This could actually... Now we're getting somewhere. And this is the model for 24, so it's actually not out for until next year. But yeah, I can really see us in one of these boats one day. So let's go and see if we can find something else interesting.